Welcome to Build 2014.
Today, we're announcing two things: Windows Phone 8.1 and our Windows 8.1 update. We believe that Windows Phone is the world's most personal smartphone. So I'm going to come up here and pull down from the top and show you our new Action Center in Windows Phone 8.1. Now, the second thing we've done to make Windows Phone feel even more personal is a feature that lets you greatly personalize your lock screen. Of course, we've evolved the heart and soul of Windows Phone, the Start screen. One of the things that we spent a lot of effort on this past year, a new feature that makes Windows Phone very personal in an incredibly useful way.
Hi, I'm Cortana.
It's certainly a lot catchier than Microsoft Personal Assistant V1 Service Pack 2, 2014.
She can make phone calls or send texts or schedule appointments or take a note, give you a reminder. She's also good at helping you learn things. She can do searches, tell you what music is playing. She knows the places you frequent, and so on and so on. Here's Cortana's notebook. This is the transparent way of putting the user in control of their relationship with Cortana. You might notice down here on the very bottom, Cortana is prompting me with information that's new. Wow, look at that. Microsoft is announcing Windows Phone 8.1. Cortana on the phone gets to know you with your permission. It goes in the notebook, and then the service can be helpful proactively.
Here are 10 Mexican restaurants in Palo Alto that are 4 stars.
Call the second one.
Sure thing. Who would you like to call?
Well, there you go. Our first little demo bug with my nervous voice. Sorry about that. And actually, that's a good segue to mention that as you notice in the upper right, we're launching Cortana as a beta. Ordinarily, she would recognize when I get home, and you would see right there, home.
I converted that temperature to Celsius.
No, that's not what I want. Oh, it got a 2. I'm going to try that one again.
There are 105 calories in a serving of banana.
The Bing Health and Fitness app gets this data as a means of Cortana being extended to apps. And then when I use that app, the banana is then added, and I can keep track of those calories. I might talk to my sister on the phone, or I might have a chat string with her, or I might have an email conversation. And in all those cases, Cortana will now remind me when I'm in the context of talking to my sister to talk to her about her new puppy. Cortana can be extended via third-party apps. Hulu, add Deadbeat to my queue. And so the app runs, the service recognizes the data.
All right. Adding Deadbeat to queue.
There it is. Cortana is the first truly personal digital assistant. You thought talking to Cortana was risky. This is terrible. I have sweaty hands, and now I'm going to type as fast as I can. You ready? I love, with a heart, developers. Windows Phone 8.1 is going to start rolling out to consumers as an update in the next few months. So now I'm going to change gears and talk to you about Windows 8.1. If you are a Windows user that's been a Windows user for a long time, you probably have a deep and intimate relationship with the taskbar. So if I move down here to the bottom of the screen, the taskbar will pop up, and I can use that to switch between modern apps. There's Mail, there's Facebook, or I can switch back to a Win32 app like IE. The Windows 8.1 update will be available to all Windows 8 and 8.1 users via Windows Update starting April 8th.
Well, it's my pleasure to introduce Universal Windows Apps. Your customers can buy the app one time, and it works on both phone and PC. They don't need to buy a different app for the phone and the PC.
So what I want to do is give you a look at some of the work we're doing to build touch-first versions of Office for this modern Windows platform. And I want to show you the same application that I was just working on the tablet also works on the phone.
Your Universal Windows applications running on the Xbox. You can't just make it work with a controller. You really need to think about how you're going to take advantage of Connect. And so I'm pretty excited today to announce Connect for V2 for Windows. So I want to announce today that we're giving a free Xbox One to everyone in the audience here at Build. We are going to enable your Universal Windows applications to run in a window. And we're going to enable your users to find, discover, and run your Windows applications with the new Start menu.
We will bring Windows Phone 8.1 to all Lumia Windows Phone 8 devices offered in an over-the-air update coming this summer. We are also excited to introduce the next generation of Lumia devices, the Nokia Lumia 930. The Lumia 930 offers unprecedented images and videos. It's got optical image stabilization, so as that gentleman's shaking his hand with a competing device, I will get the clear picture, you're getting the blurry picture. You can capture and relive your videos with complete surround sound capabilities right from this device. Now, we'll start selling the Lumia 930 globally in June. We will start in Europe and then move through Asia, India, and the Middle East. I'd like to introduce you to two new Lumia products, the Nokia Lumia 630 and the Nokia Lumia 635. The 630 and 635 have a sleek design. They come in 5 stunning colors with changeable shells. And that will be in the month of May. We'll start the rollout in Asia, move through India, the Middle East, South America, and Europe, and we'll be here in the US broadly with our partners starting in July. The Lumia 630 3G single SIM will be priced around $159. If it's a dual SIM device, it'll be $169. And if it's the 635 4G version, it'll be $189, all before taxes and local subsidies. Here in the US, of course, the pricing's quite different based on the operators.
There's going to be more ubiquitous computing everywhere, and there's going to be ambient intelligence everywhere.
Okay, your presentation is ending now. Would you like any exit music?
Sure, play It's Time by Imagine Dragons. Thank you very, very much, Bill. Have a fantastic time at the rest of the Developer Conference. Thank you.